Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best home alarm systems 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Wireless 4G Wi-Fi Smart Alarm System. The wireless Wi-Fi 4G alarm system supports up to 8 wired zones for enhanced security. With a 5-year entry sensor, HD panel, and Tuya smart home integration, it offers a robust and durable solution for home protection. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. For 4G Smart Home Alarm System. This 4G home security alarm system features a 4.3-inch screen and PIR door sensors for enhanced protection. Controlled via the Tuya Smart Life app, it supports Alexa and Google Assistant, offering a smart and reliable solution. Number 3. Staniot Wi-Fi 4G Wireless Smart Security System. The Staniot Wi-Fi 4G home security system delivers comprehensive wireless protection with built-in sirens and Tuya smart home integration. Compatible with Alexa, this system allows seamless monitoring and control. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Wireless Wi-Fi GSM Smart Home Alarm System. This wireless home alarm system integrates Tuya smart home technology, offering Wi-Fi and GSM security with motion sensors. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, it provides reliable, hands-free protection for your home. Number 1. Staniot 7-inch HD Wi-Fi 4G Smart Alarm System. The HD alarm system offers wireless Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity for comprehensive home security. With Tuya smart home integration, it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Thanks for watching.